say welcome again to today's symposium, and I'm going to extend my gratitude to all of you for coming today.
We have an actual workflow for your entire cell therapy development, from research and development all the way to the commercialization of the product itself.
So the idea behind this Cell Therapy Innovation Day here in London is to connect to the local cell therapy community and to be a centralized hub for them to talk to each other, create some useful partnerships, and also learn about our latest innovations.
These events are very, very helpful and useful in meeting other people that I wouldn't get to meet otherwise. I think there should be a lot more automation and a lot more standardization across the board. I think it's a very exciting field to be in, as we know already that we're making a big difference to patients' lives.
It's been fantastic. I think if anybody gets the opportunity to come to this and have a sort of frank and open discussion about how Thermo Fisher can help them, what areas of development they require in terms of their materials and devices, then that open conversation can only help them when they're choosing their processes to take them all the way through to commercialization of cell and gene therapy. We're at a pivotal point in our industry, I think. In the next 2 years or so, we need to prove out that because the therapies have been successful, they're now applicable to a lot more patients, that we need to be able to manufacture those. Pay for them too, but the manufacturing is, I think, the most proximal challenge that we have.
This is the reason why we are all here and developing better tools to give access to more patients to these therapies.